Alright, so now we're going to work on converting between radians and degrees. Just a different way to measure an angle, right? So we have this equivalency. Remember, we've got an angle. If we go halfway around, starting in standard position, this was equal to 180 degrees. Or if we were working in radian, that was equal to pi radians. So 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. So with that in mind, the rest should just be basic dimensional analysis. So if we wanted to go from degrees to radians, we would multiply the degree measure by pi radians over 180. Degrees cancel out. We're left with just radians. And then if we wanted to go to radians to degrees, we put degrees on top. Radians cancel out. We're left with degrees. So let's just try it. Basic dimensional analysis, right? So if we do, we're going to go from degrees to radian here. So 120 degrees. 1 degrees to cancel out. So we'll do pi radians on top, 180 degrees on the bottom. What do we end up with? Well, we end up with 120 pi divided by 180. Ooh, not a nice number. So I got like 2.09, some long irrational, right? So I'm just going to do 120 divided by 180. And call it 2/3 pi radian. Okay? Now, if we want to go the other way, we want to go from radians to degrees. Start off with negative pi over 12. I'm going to do this the other way now. I want radians to go away, so I'm going to put degrees up top, so say 180 degrees divided by pi radians. What's going to happen? Well, radians are going to cancel out. I'm going to end up with pi over pi. That's just 1. I've still got the negative sign, so negative 180 divided by 12. Just negative 15 degrees. Alright, so that's just dimensional analysis. Use this equivalency, and then whether you need degrees or radians, be sure to be careful about which unit you put on top, because you need the units to cancel. Alright, that's that.